Good morning, guys. My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. Today we're coming to you with our John Deere tractor, aka our mower. All right, and we just got this cool bagger right here so that we could collect the stickers that are in the yard. Roll that intro as we show you how to install it. So what we've got ourselves here is our lovely John Deere D105 Auto, and it's got a 42-inch deck. So what do? We go and we buy the rear bagger. This is going to be amazing to keep them stickers out of the yard. I know it's not going to be fun getting them out of the bags, but that's okay. That's worth it because I'd rather them be stuck in a bag than in our feet or our kids' feet. So let's unbox this beaut, which we've already began doing, and we'll show you how to install it, just in case you're wondering. This should be fairly simple, and by fairly simple I mean we're going to learn as we go. So we're going to get everything out of the box, show you guys every little piece and how they go together. Alright, here we go. There's everything that we need. This is 2 pieces, which is super simple. Put that slot together. Then you're going to pull that bungee right over that guy. A little difficult one-handed, but it can be done just like that. That's going to hold the whole tube together. Then this guy will slide in there. We're not quite ready for that step yet, so we're just going to set it aside. Come over here and we grab this butte, and we want those 2 tabs to go onto the right side, the passenger side of the mower. They're going to sit in there, while these silver pieces here are going to go into the small circles. I have to push it a little bit, just like that. Now that guy's secured, it's ready. Then we're going to put the top of the bagger assembly, put this right on top of there. I'm not going to be able to do that one-handed, but we got more instructions down there, so here we go. The other side, one side, we're going to slip this right over that. Should put this side up and slide down. It should, hold on. Bam, that's it. Yeah. We're going to take this pin, put it through there, go around on the back side here, and twist this so that it's up and down, and then put our push pin in. There we go. Bam. Now it's safe, that won't fall out. Next we're going to take this bar. I'm going to take it out so I can show you. It's like that. It's going to go inside of there and then up there. Then grab another hairpin from right here and stick that hairpin in. Bam, there we go. Now put this bar through those holes. Make sure that your hole there is lined up, so then you can put another hairpin in. Ding, there you go. Now your bags will come packed nice and neat. Just grab that, pull it out. Your handle, so these should just slide right in there, just like that. Oh, flip it around. Your handle comes on the outside. Drop it in, and I believe that will do it for up here. Oh, there's a little lock, a little safety lock when it lifts up. Good job. There we go. Bam. Now it's time to put on the tube. Oh, the tube! Do you know the cartoon? Yeah, so we're going to take that and you're going to stick it into there. And then while she's doing that, we're going to bring this guy down to the bottom. It's going way down here. And we're going to lift up this little metal deflector. I might have to take the two apart Are you holding it that tight? Okay, we're gonna take these apart because that'll make it a little easier. Just kind of shove that guy in there as far as you can, give you some room. Then we're gonna take this one, and this clip goes right there, just like that. And then the collector piece. This is just a little tip before you guys go. Get some of this PB Blaster silicone lubricant. I guess it's not PB, but get this blaster stuff. Oh, we picked this up at Walmart. And what you're going to do with it is you're going to spray in the inside of this entire tube. What that's going to do is help the grass flow all the way up and not stick and get stuck down there at the bottom, because that does happen. So pick up some of this, save yourself some trouble. Okay, so to get that to actually go in there, we had to take off our metal one and that, plus all the springs. So we got that sitting aside now, but it's in. We got the little pin in, we got it hooked back here. Now it's time to bring this out and connect this slot right under here to that spot right there. So we're gonna do that now. There we go. Now it's got a bagger, it's ready to roll. Yeah, you can put your stickers on there too, but we're not gonna do that. This should work really good at helping us get those stickers. That was probably the biggest struggle, was trying to get that on. So I just make it easier, took that off, got it on there. At a later time, I'll probably try and put this back on and get the bagger on the right way. But there we have it. If you guys enjoyed, if this video helped you out, smash that like button. Don't forget to click the red subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great night. God bless y'all.